It's Dr. Meyer, and I've been talking a lot about metabolism lately, but we can't forget the connection to cortisol. And a lot of patients come in to me very, very stressed with high cortisol. In fact, my cortisol calming video I did a few years ago is one of the most viewed videos. So it just shows you a lot of people are concerned with cortisol and stress. So I have some protocols that are now on my Highlands Health and Wellness, so highlandshealthwellness.com website that you can check out for cortisol calming. But some of the key things I like to recommend are getting a good night's sleep, trying to go to bed between 10 and 11 or 9 and 10, somewhere in that range, and getting up between 6 and 7 in the morning, wearing blue blocker glasses or turning on a blue light at night on your devices and trying to stop all devices 2 hours before bed. That's a really hard one for people to do. Changing from black coffee to green tea. Trying to get outside, like I've been talking about, as far as getting out to nature, journaling, doing a nighttime meditation or morning meditation, and check out that protocol on the supplements.